Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. A spectacular showing at Shaggy and Friends. The event unfolded on the lawns of Jamaica House on Saturday. There was tremendous crowd support for the charity event as thousands of Jamaicans turned out to join hands and hearts rallying for the worthy cause. The star-studded lineup of local and international artists delivered strong performances to the very appreciative audience. Take a look.
Oh, in the summertime, where the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. No, where the weather is high, you got swimming on your mind. I got the people on my mind. Yes, I'm gonna drive and ride and see now what I'm making. 1, 2, 3, put your hands up, sing. One of the fully much, one of the. All right, sing it to them now. I show all of you. Then I show all of you. If you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. Vikings! Yeah. Ready for the road. Every day, Viking who swear. Vikings! I'm in the garden trailing there. And shine on the gun here. I hear Jamaica say. This is the sound of soca. Rescue me before I fall into despair.
Shaggy and Friends are just really beautiful for what they do, you know, for giving so much to the country and to the hospital and the vibes and just the business and getting it done. And all I can say, Shaggy! Shaggy!
Even though we're late and the crowds are like talking about they worked it and they got it going, you know, and Sting did an amazing job. Cliff, Cliff had a tough job because it was weird on in the late. But, you know, I put most of the performers them at the later part because the strong performers them know how to make it work, you know, so back up.
Everybody say,
On the international scene, the 75th Annual Golden Globe Awards last evening honored the best in film and American television for 2017. The award show will go down in the history books and will be remembered for the way women dominated the ceremony. Among the winners this year are Nicole Kidman, Best Actress in a Television Movie, Elizabeth Moss for Best Actress in a Television Series. Martin McDonagh's 3 Billboards Outside took home 4 awards: Best Motion Picture Drama, Best Screenplay, Best Actress in a Motion Picture, and Best Supporting Actor. Lady Bird, directed by Greta Gerwig, was another notable winner, taking home 2 awards for Best Motion Picture Comedy and Best Actress in a Motion Picture. Oprah Winfrey stole the show after taking the Cecil B. DeMille Award for her contribution in the world of entertainment. Oprah is the first black woman to win the prestigious award. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.